Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very special video. Couple of days back I put a post on Instagram asking you all what should be my next video, and most of you all replied to make a cooking video. So today I'm going to be cooking burnt garlic egg fried rice. So sit back, relax and watch me cook burnt garlic egg fried rice.
First heat the pan and add some oil. Then add 2 whisk eggs to the pan. Now I'm scrambling the eggs. Scramble the eggs till you get a consistency like this. Once the eggs are cooked, transfer it to a bowl and in the same pan add some oil. Once the oil is heated, add the garlic and cook on medium to low flame till it starts getting fragrant and brown in color. Add in the roughly chopped onions and green chilies. Cook till the onions are translucent. I have added the roughly chopped carrots. Let the carrots cook for 2 minutes. See that you don't overcook them as it will lose its crunch. Add in 1 spoon of soya sauce and mix it. Add in the leftover rice step by step. Mix the rice really well. Use the rice which was cooked the previous day and refrigerated. Now add a little bit of pepper. Now add in vinegar and the scrambled eggs and give it a good toss. For garnish, add in the finely chopped spring onions. The burnt garlic rice is ready and it's time to eat now.
I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram and also hit the notification button. That's all for me from today. See you next time.